Okay, dear students, you have studied chapter number 13 of physics, reflection of light. Now you will study the chapter number 14, refraction of light. What is the difference between reflection and refraction? Reflection takes place from opaque medium, means the ray of light strikes and comes back. But in reflection, it takes place from the transparent medium. The ray of light enters through the medium and goes out from the other side. So it is refraction. How to define it? Look at definition. When a ray of light entering from one medium to another medium obliquely. Obliquely means when it strikes less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees. It is called obliquely. Obliquely, its velocity and direction changes. This change is called refraction of light. So, refraction of light means the velocity and direction changes when it enters from one medium to another medium. You can see the direction is changed because it deviates. It goes like this, but it changes its direction. So it is the refraction of light. Refraction depends upon two things. Or you can say refraction means two changes in the ray of light, direction changes and velocity changes. This is first medium, this is second medium. Ray of light striking obliquely and enters in this medium by changing its direction as well as velocity. It is known as reflection of light, and the ray in the medium is called refracted ray. Now come to the characteristics of refraction. First characteristics, a ray of light entering from rare medium obliquely to the denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Look at, this is the surface of the two medium. It is rare medium, it is denser medium. A ray of light striking at the surface obliquely and enters to the denser medium. Look at it, this is normal, this dotted line, normal, it is bending towards the normal. This is first characteristics and you have to learn it. Second characteristics, a ray of light entering from denser to rare medium obliquely, it bends away from the normal. Look at, this is denser medium, this one is rare medium, this is the surface of both the medium. A ray of light coming from denser medium strikes obliquely at the surface of the medium, and when it is refracted, means enters into the other medium, it bends away from the normal. Means, look at, this is normal and it is away from the normal. So this is second characteristics. You have to learn it. Now third one is a ray of light incident at right angle, means at 90 degree on the surface of one medium will pass through the other medium without reflection but goes straight. Means when the ray of light striking at the surface of the medium at 90 degree, it will not be refracted, no change in direction as well as no change in velocity. It will go straight through the other medium, that is rare medium or denser medium. If it is coming from denser medium at 90 degree, then as well no direction, no speed change, it goes straight. Now the laws of reflection. These are the laws of refraction of light. First law, it is stated as incident ray, normal, refracted ray lie on the same point of incident at the same plane. Is called first law of refraction. Now look at the diagram. This one is the surface of the medium, and this ray is incident ray, and this one is refracted ray from one medium to another medium. Look at the ray of light is incident on point O, as well as the normal is also at point O, and refracted ray is also at point O. So this is the point of incident, and these three things such as incident ray, normal and refracted ray are incident at the same point of incident. This one is called plane, surface of the medium. This is first law of refraction. Now the second law of refraction is also known as Snell's law and also known as refractive index. These three objects has the same definition. It is stated as the ratio between sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant for all the rays for all the medium. It is also known as Snell's law. Second law of refraction is also known as Snell's law, and second law of refraction is also known as refractive index. Look at the angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incident. The angle between normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction. So, if we take the trigonometric ratio sine I and sine R, this ratio of these two angles remains constant for all the rays, for all the medium. If you are taking any medium, this ratio will remain constant. For glass and water, this ratio is constant. For glass and air, this ratio is constant. So, it is also known as Snell's law. You have to remember that the statement of Snell's law as well as the refractive index, this is the same definition. And you have to draw these diagrams on your copy as well as these definition. I have told you again and again, these are the notes for yourself, easy and marks getting. So you have to write and learn it. Okay, thank you.